Kimberly?
I don't know.
Well, what you doing tonight?
Who is this?
It's Amber. Come on, Camille, you know who I am.
Okay.
So are we gonna go out, Andrea?
Sure.
Are we gonna have one night stands? With sexy
Yeah,
Jamaican boys?
Yes.
Alright, Andrea.
What?
Come on, Tiffany. Alexandria, aren't we gonna go do something?
Sure.
Well, you gotta think of something to do.
I don't know who this is.
Melanie, meet me at the mall.
Oh my gosh.
What's your problem? Natalie?
What?
We can go hang out, Amber?
I don't know. I don't know who this is. I don't know what you're saying.
Come on, Amber.
Don't call me that.
What you talking about? Casey, let's go. Casey?